Given the Asava Powell fiasco is one thing that came back to my mind, and it's the fact that Jamaicans are like a deadbeat father who only comes around once their child starts to reap success. Again, Jamaicans in the athletic field, in the track and field, whatever sports you can think of, or whatever it is, whether it be school challenge, quiz, etc. Jamaicans are like a deadbeat father who doesn't come around. He had nothing to do with that child upbringing. He left that child with that child's mother. Did not support that child in no way, shape, nor form. But the moment he sees that that child is reaping success, he wants to benefit from that success, even though he contributed nothing but his sperm. And Jamaicans, that is sad. I am a Jamaican. That is a sad mindset. And again, that came to me when I was the whole thing with Asava Powell. And it's true. A son of behave. You only know a person or support a person when they're winning. But when they're not winning or they're not doing as well and you don't know them and you quote it as constructive criticism. No, not user. And that's the truth. But again, that's just my thoughts. What are yours?